I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Media Player in Library View and going straight to Organize, then Manage Libraries, then Music. You want WMP to monitor folders so new files appear automatically. Click Add, navigate to the folder containing your music, and confirm with OK. Once done, make sure the folders you selected contain supported files like MP3 or WMA. If you use external drives, connect them first so WMP can index files. This gets the import process started immediately and ensures the player watches those locations. Next, include any network shares or mapped drives by mapping them in File Explorer, then add those paths in Manage Libraries. You may need to grant permissions so Windows and WMP can read the files. Once done, force a rescan. Either use Close then reopen Windows Media Player or trigger a library refresh by changing a monitored folder and reverting it. Also enable automatic media information, updates in options so metadata like artist and album art get fetched. This keeps your library organized without manual edits. Finally, verify that your songs appear in library music and spot check metadata and album art. You can right-click tracks to edit tags or create playlists for immediate playback. Make sure file formats are supported and that Windows has permission to read those folders. If tracks are missing, rebuild the Windows Media Player library database or remove and re-add monitored folders to force reindexing. If network files fail, check sharing permissions and connectivity. That single troubleshooting step solves most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.